welcome to my channel, which is Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita, and as you all know, again during summers we enjoy two fruits the most. One is watermelon and one more is mango. No. Don't go ahead and think that I'm going to do something related to mango. As the title says, I'm going to do definitely something related to watermelon, and it is watermelon juice. To make watermelon juice, we just need these 4 ingredients. One is watermelon. Here I have taken one whole medium-sized watermelon. Using this, you can make easily 4 glasses of watermelon juice. I have taken about 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt. This is optional. I like salt in my juices, so I am just adding it, and about 10 to 15 mint leaves. To make watermelon juice, firstly we will add in the sugar. If your watermelon is sweet, then you can minus or plus the sugar according to the sweetness. So pinch of salt and the mint leaves. Here I am using a hand blender. You can also use a mixer jar if you want to, or any juicer if you want to. Let's start the process. Our watermelon juice is done. We'll strain this into another vessel and then we'll pour it into our glasses. So now we'll strain this using this kind of strainer. You can use even a plastic strainer or a steel strainer. So we'll strain this. The reason why I'm straining this is because I haven't de-seeded the watermelons. Now as you can see, we have strained our juice. Now this is the juice that we have got after straining. So now we'll pour our watermelon juice into our glasses. Garnish it with some mint leaves. So there you go, our watermelon juice is ready. If you guys really enjoyed the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.